What's up? What's up? It's your girl Muffin, and if you hear all that background sound, that's all Eli. He's going in with the drawers and stuff. Pretty much right now what I'm doing is I am going to be doing an initial review for a AliExpress hairline. It's called Recool. This for my thumbnail. Okay, I just got off of work. It is now 6:30. No, it's like 6:50, and this kid is working and everything. But pretty much what I wanted to do is a initial review. Me just unbagging the pack. First of all, let me explain the shipping. How the shipping came really fast. I think I ordered this here last Friday, to be exact. It is Thursday, and actually it came 2 days ago. The only thing is that I actually it came 2 days ago. The only thing is I wasn't home to pick it up, so they sent it to a location, and I just picked it up today. So that means that it came Wednesday. It came on Tuesday. So I ordered it on Friday, and it came on Tuesday. That is not bad, and it's from AliExpress. Y'all know they can kind of take forever. So I'm really happy that it came with enough time for me to bleach the knots and get it installed, because next week is my birthday and I'm going to Miami, which I will be doing a vlog video for that. It's a personal video. That way you can get to know me a little bit more on my vacation. I'm relaxed. I will be child free, so I'll be doing grown and sexy things. If you want, you could guess how old I'm going to be turning down below. And I'm not going to say it until the video comes out. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and get into it. So as you can see, it comes in this kind of see-through checkered bag with Recool on it. The brand, it's 100% virgin hair. It has their WhatsApp number, the WhatsApp number, their hot Gmail, whatever, all that kind of stuff. Their email, social medias that you can follow for all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get into that. Of course, there's the hair. This is just like an instructional template for how to handle and care for the hair. It has also more match closure. So pretty much it just tells you if you do a YouTube review, you get $30. I might get $30. And then you get $5 off with a coupon. So there's little promotions in here that you could do using this, doing whatever with this hair. So there's little promotions. There's a $5 coupon in here, and there's also so many ways to get little. No, sir. So I'm guessing he wants to be in the review. So anyway. Yeah, so pretty much what I see here is that they do have promotions for you to get discounts or get paid. And then in the back, they have your hair instructions on how to maintain the hair. I'm not going to go into detail about that because if you buy it, you'll get it. But you just know that they do provide that information for you. Also, in the bag, they provide you a hand mirror, and it says happy smile. Now this is a princess in the, is it a princess? I don't know who this is, but it looks like the Princess and the Frog Princess girl. We'll see. But it's a black girl, so I'm happy about that. And it says Recool virgin hair. It's not the Princess and the Frog girl, but it's a cute little mirror. So maybe I shouldn't have showed y'all all that, but it's just a mirror. And yeah, came in this little package here. All right, so that was really nice to get. The bundles that I got was the 324-inch and a 20-inch closure. Now, this is how it comes packaged. So this is how it comes packaged, and I'm going to go ahead and unpackage one of them. They're all the same length, so it's not going to be much different than any of the other bundles. So I'm only going to open one and unravel it so you can see. Now, my initial judgment, this is what this is for, on these 24-inch bundles. Y'all, I don't know how I feel about it because it feels extremely thin. Excuse this whole while, y'all. It feels extremely thin. Actually, and in the bundle, I got a few strands of hair come out of there, y'all. So, I'm trying to make sure y'all got everything in the camera. So this is the 24-inch. It feels thin, but I could tell with all three of them together, it won't be as thin. It's not as thin as I thought it was. Let's just say that much. And when it was in the pack, it felt a lot thinner, but it doesn't feel as thin. It comes like this, and it just says unprocessed natural hair. You could bleach, dye, and perm it. Maintenance tag or whatever. Beauty spurts for natural hair. Okay, whatever. And then you take the little thing off. Look at these. Now, these little things are stretchy. If you ever doing those ponytails or the puffs, you better as well keep these because those come in handy. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the rubber band. Before I do that, you can look at the wefts. Can y'all see that? These shits look nice. I'm sorry, they look really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop torque on this thing. The curls seem nice. I'm really excited, you guys. So this is the 24-inch. I was gonna go 26, but I thought it was gonna be thin, and I didn't want to do it because I'm scared. I was just scared, damn it. All right, so I'll pretty much show y'all. All right, that's not a good sign to me. Did y'all see how long it took me to get that unraveled? All right, I'm gonna most likely double up my wefts except for the top bundle if I want it to lay flat. But, well, I'm still gonna double the top bundle, but I'm not gonna double it all the way to the very, very top. Maybe I will. I'm trying to get all this hair in my head so it can be as full and luscious as possible. So. Alright, so this is all the hair unrolled, doubled the hair unrolled. The hair feels soft, you guys. It feels soft. I won't know the quality of it until I really wear it, but the curls look really pretty. If we put it at the nape of my head, it comes to right there. It will be like right here, and I got them all the same length. Of course, it'll have like a layered effect due to the fact that I'm going to be going up on my head, but that is pretty much the hair. All right, and now we're gonna go for the closure. I'm just gonna wrap it like this because I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots, and I'm kind of wondering if I should bleach them on the same video that I do the install. So pretty much this is what it would feel, or the thickness of it. I guess this will probably all fit in like right here, like this little square, the back portion of my head. And honestly, I'm gonna tell you guys, it's gonna be full. I'm almost certain that it's gonna be some full hair. So I thought it was gonna be really thin, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. When I first saw it, I thought it was gonna be thin. All right, the closure. Just so you could kind of see what we're working with. This is a 4x4 closure. I have my tape measure in here. I'm gonna say this is a 4x4 closure. So it looks off though. I want to say it looks off. Let me not say that. It doesn't look off. It just seems like it's crooked. Am I tripping? Or does that look like it's going like this? So that just lets you know that it's going at a different angle than expected. Am I tripping? No? No, it's definitely going at an angle. I mean, I don't think that's really that big of an issue if you're gonna do a side part. Side part, that would be perfect because it'll go like that. And I'm kind of concerned because it's not pre-plucked. I want to go ahead and let you know that now. As you can see, this is a pure, straight, very potent line. I will be plucking it and making a very realistic hairline for me because I'm probably going to wear it as a middle part. But I'm going to wear it as a middle part like this, because that way I can still do my middle part and it's thick enough to do it like that. And then if I did want a side part, I can still just throw a side part in there. It's pretty thick. I'd say it's really a dense, nice, full coverage closure. You know how some closures come really thin and when you try to part it, you're not going to get the coverage that you want. I'm going to be bleaching it. That will be in the video that I will put with the install. So I'm gonna bleach it tonight. So I can be ready for my install this weekend. Because I'm gonna install it this weekend. Or maybe I'll install it now. I don't leave it till Thursday. And I don't know exactly how long the wig part, the lace front part will last. We'll see how it goes, y'all. All right, y'all, so I will be doing a not bleaching for closure, or in general, a not bleaching video. I'm gonna get it to as closely as possible my hair complexion, my scalp complexion. So y'all stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on social media. That'll be somewhere down here. And I will see you guys in the next video. I have plenty of videos to come, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can go ahead and get those notifications. And I will see you later. To the little heifers. Just kidding, to the little. Love y'all. Bye.